J's on my feet, J's on my feet.
J's on my
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So here I'm with my friend.
Opus Runfly, hi.
Today we're doing a draw challenge. So okay, I gotta start now. Oh no.
God.
So first theme we have thought of was cat. So we've got 1 minute to draw it. I'm trying really hard. No, it doesn't need colour, but like, if you finish before, you can put colour. So guys, thanks for 100 of course. I've been saying this for a couple of videos.
Stop now.
Oh, damn it. Okay, so this is my one.
Okay.
My first one for
That
cat.
was from Orange LPS.
Yeah, alright, so this is my first one.
Oh god.
Now, LPS Ravenflight, she is going to draw a cat, but she's going to have 1 minute as well.
Oh no.
Okay, so,
Okay, so
oh my god, I just need to, okay, so she's going to draw a cat, so like,
where is it? Wait, I don't know.
you draw like this, you know?
Oh, cool.
You click down to draw, Molly. Okay,
Yeah,
so
yeah, I know.
I'll tell you when to start. Oh no. So we have to get this ready. I'm gonna cut this out. Go! Okay, come on. That's the back button. Go. You can do it, come on. Come on, Molly. You can do this, We're gonna do 3 or 4 rounds. Okay, come on, Molly.
Oh great.
Just get this finished, Molly. Just get this finished.
It's so hard to draw this.
Just get this finished. Come on, you just gotta get this finished.
Where's the rubber? Come on.
Rubber's there.
Yeah.
Oh no! What happened? I don't know! Just keep going. Keep going. You can do this. Finish it, Molly. Time's up. Oh my god. Okay, so this is Molly's one for cats.
LPS Ravenfly.
Well, there we go. So
Molly, LPS Ravenfly.
I will cut that out.
Um,
Hi guys. Okay, so this is LPS Ravenflight, so I'm just gonna fix that eye for you. Alright.
That is not part of it.
Yeah, that is not part of it, guys. So that will be LPS Ravenflight.
Oh really? What happened with the rubber?
I don't know. But that is her entry for the first one. So what should the next one be? Quickly decide. How about a spiked collar?
Okay.
Alright.
I'll tell you when it's on 28.
Yes, okay. And
Yeah.
really? Okay. Alright guys, so I'm drawing this spiked collar. This looks so bad.
Good, you should see mine.
I'm trying so hard not to get this bad. Okay,
Your one is broken.
it's huge.
Whose fault is that?
Yours. I'm so sorry. Come on, you can do this. Alright. I got the color, so let's Okay, let's just get this done.
Yeah.
Alright, so this is my spiked collar, not done because I just needed to fill in the white.
Oh no.
So this is my spiked collar. Now, Molly is going to...
Can I? Yeah. Well,
You can change the size of it by clicking brush control when you're on rubber. Okay,
Good.
so Molly, LPS Raven's Light,
yeah. Oh,
is going to draw the spike collar next. You let my screen turn off, Molly.
I'll do that.
Oh wow, you might miss the chance. Okay, so when it gets to 30, what you guys can't see obviously, she's going to start.
I'm really scared. Let's look.
I'm cutting this out, don't worry. Molly, don't go.
It started. God.
Okay. So there's her base. Okay, Molly, do the spikes. You just gotta get this done.
Oh my god.
Okay, you just gotta get this done, Molly.
Mine has.
Is a short spike collar.
Okay.
Looks like one.
Don't insult me, everyone. I'm trying my hardest.
Alright, you can color it
No, I can't.
if you want to.
God. Where's the rubber? Oh, there. There. Don't make me laugh.
This is good, Molly. This is the best drawing I've seen in my life.
Thank you.
Your time's almost up.
No!
Done. Stop. Okay, geez, she's dying. Okay, guys. So the next theme is going to be. What is it going to be, Molly?
I don't know.
Headdress. Oh no! Okay, fine. What do you want it to be?
No, I'll show you my picture of a headdress.
What do you want to be? What do you want to do? Quickly before it goes again.
No.
How about Arctic Wolf?
Oh, okay.
When it gets to 32.
While it's loading, I'll show you my full picture.
Okay, not yet.
Okay.
You gotta be on the timeline, Molly.
Yeah.
So is it Arctic Wolf?
Yeah, how'd it go? What?
Okay, guys, we had to BRB right there, but I'm going to have my go now.
Yeah.
Okay, Arctic Wolf. Nose. Oh, jeez, this is already terrible. Of course, I'm gonna put a spike collar. Ear. Let's just screw the legs. Okay, that's good. That's a great spike collar. I'm doing so good.
Is it just me or this the worst you can draw it?
Okay, so you need that eye, though.
Half time.
Oh no. This is great. Nose, mouth. Let's give her that leg though. Let's give some hair, some spiky hair though. Let's give it a headdress. Some dots.
Now, stop.
Okay, so this is my article. It is awesome. Best articles I've seen in my life.
Yeah.
Way better than what Molly's or LPS Raven's Flight is going to produce.
Aaron's already seen my picture. That's cool.
Alright. So Molly, LPS Raven's Flight.
God, stop like doing.
Okay, Molly, when you have the brush control on the razor, turn it down, okay? So now, Molly is going to draw an Arctic Wolf and it's going to look great.
God, yes.
So when it starts,
Can I just have a look at everything?
yeah, click back onto the thing. I just hiccuped. Anyway, I hiccuped in my throat. That is terrible. Alright. Now. Alright.
Someone's daddy. Belzerus.
Come on, Molly. No!
Come on.
Almost half time. Ah!
Don't, please. I'm bad at this. There.
Half time.
Big foot. It's like a My Little Pony.
15 seconds. Come on. This is Oh, Molly, 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Stop. So this is her article. It is the most majestic article I've seen in my life. Molly, take the timer, will you?
Yeah.
So when it gets to 39, the theme is going to be... Wow, thanks! It's going to be window.
A window.
A window.
Okay. A window.
A window.
Okay. Hey, Aaron. Should I stop the time here? And then when it goes to here again?
Now when it gets up there, at the top. Did you miss one? You missed it, didn't you?
No, I just put it a bit like faster so everyone doesn't have to listen to us talk.
I can cut this out.
Oh.
I can cut it out.
Okay.
Okay, we're doing window. It's gonna be a lot of editing, thanks.
And now.
Okay, need the top of the window, or this is already so bad?
I know.
Now, we need a special theme to this window. So this window is a window. And
Right.
it is the best window you've seen in your life, right, guys? You should totally vote for my window. There should be maybe like a double-sided window, and there's like a person in the middle of the windows, and they're just looking out, and they're just like... And then there's the window thingy-majiggies. I don't know what they are.
Windowsill. Something.
And then there's the sill, and then there's the bushes and stuff. There's the bushes, and then there's the lawn, and then there's an ant here.
Okay, and stop.
There's my window, and my scenery of the window. Somebody's looking out a window.
It's looking through the window, like really.
Alright, so this is my window, guys. You should totally vote for me. Like, don't vote for a piss. Even flight. Because she's so bad. Anyway,
Please?
so she is going to draw a window, and... Oh, we're gonna run out of time. So we are running out of time. So this is the last one, guys. Alright, when it gets to 41, you draw a window.
No, where is it? No. No.
Don't start yet.
Where's it going?
Use those to move it. And... Go.
Okay.
Window, window. Go on, go on.
I will.
Make a window. What?
Come on.
What is this? Oh, it's probably better than mine, actually.
Sucked in. Make it a perfect window. How do I do colours?
That, and then go colour here.
Colour.
And you can change the colours in the colour wheel. Almost out of time.
So you
15 seconds.
Oh, don't rush me. There's a sun outside.
5 seconds.
God.
4,
There.
3, 2, 1. Okay.
Hope you liked my
That
window.
is Molly's window. And I will stick a poll in the description, and we can vote on your favourites. Please only vote once for each round.
Yeah, for each round.
Alright, so thank you guys for watching, and peace out. Say bye.
Bye.